Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this stylish bokeh effect in Photoshop. First, right-click on your main image layer and select Duplicate Layer. Press OK. Next, we need to separate the subject from the background. Go to Select, then select Subject. Press Ctrl+J to create separate subject layer. Now select the background copy layer and go to Filter Blur Gallery Tilt-Shift. Here you'll see the blur guide on your image. Drag the dotted line downward and adjust the blur area according to your image. The goal is to keep blur the whole image. Now, under the bokeh settings, increase the light bokeh to 100%. Set the bokeh color around 55%. And adjust the light range to around 188. You can experiment with these settings to get the exact bokeh look you want. Once you're happy with the result, press OK. Finally, turn your subject layer back on. This keeps the subject sharp while the background has that beautiful, soft and stylish bokeh effect. And there you have it. This is a simple way to create a professional looking bokeh effect in Photoshop.